So you are seeing the vadas right now. I'm squeezing the vadas. These are the Moong Dal vadas that we prepared, and keep it in the water for 24 hours. The recipe for this making vada is right now popping out in the screen. You may click that link later on description. Also the link will be provided. Click the link in the description. I am going to serve 4 vadas. So I am squeezing the 4th one right now. You can see the 4th one. Now let's see the ingredients for it. Tamarind, curd, sweet curd, cumin powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, and salt. All are up to you how much you want to add. First the curd. Take the curd that is little bit sweet, not too sour. You may add sugar to it. I have added about 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar to it. You have to make sure that sugar is really more in this curd. That's why I have added about 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar to this much of curd. That will be approximately around 1 kg of curd. Tamarind. I'm going to pour in some tamarind chutney. This is readily available in the market, or later on we'll try to post the recipe of it in the blog and a video recipe also. This sweet and sour tamarind chutney. You may also add coriander chutney, that is dhania chutney, cilantro chutney. You may also add onions and boiled potatoes to it. Add them before the curd, or you can make 2 layers of this chaat. First vadas, then curd, then boiled potatoes and onions, then again curd, then chutneys. Now I'm added the salt to it. After the salt, I'm going to add the chaat masala. Right now I'm adding the chaat masala. So you can see it looks really yummy. In the camera the colors are a little bit not bright, so I'll try to post a post a photograph of it at the last of the video. I'm adding the red chili powder to it right now, so you can see it. And now we are going to add the cumin powder. Cumin powder is the main ingredient of it from my side of cooking. Main ingredient of this chaat, at least. From me it's for all chaats, but for this it's the main ingredient. Lots of cumin powder to it. I've added about